Alright, so we got a new rider should watch this video from MotoStars. I think we should watch this. We're all a bunch of new riders here at the Academy. Let's go ahead and start. So going a little too fast, 150.
From around the bend,
okay, go ahead, talk.
Speed became quite difficult for one of the drivers to notice.
Okay, so side of the vehicle, we're going a little too fast. They can't tell what we're trying to do. Find that escape path, and we got ourselves out of there, but they can't judge our speed. They can't judge our speed if we're going that fast. Right, Chimmy? All right, Chimmy. Okay, somebody pulled out in front of you. You did good. You did fine. You did fine.
What the?
Yeah, what the? All right, so one skilled DC driver. So we're going through here, right-hand turn. Be careful. Doing really well. Let's see what we have here. We have an uncommon thing in a common situation. An idiot in our lane. Move forward. You got somebody behind you. So Frischholm. Hey, a little bit too quick. A little bit too fast. Oh, impact. Are we going to rescue this rider? Are we going to rescue this rider? We do have our rescue kits way cheaper now. We went all in. We bought a whole bunch, so now we drove the cost down. We're talking $50 to $100 less per kit. So see about it. Links in the description. Whew. Make sure you know what to do. If he's bleeding out, you want to rescue him. You want to rescue this rider. Everything on the back, you get the rescue card. These are the symptoms that you need to watch out for. So I don't care about the bike. You saw the guy tripoding over there in the corner. That's the rider. Make sure he doesn't have a brain injury, spinal injury. Make sure he's not bleeding out. We have tourniquets. We have a lot of bleeding control supplies. So say in 420, here we go, going 22. Whoa, we lost traction. Looks like oil on the road. Look at all that wet stuff on the road. Oh, what is that? So we definitely have a loss of traction issue.
To see the cost.
All right, MotoStars.
A huge amount of fresh mud.
So silly.
Mud. So mud.
Again, a wizard.
So there must have been like a lot of rain. Got a mudslide down the mountain. Mud all over the street. Very dangerous. So if you see that, be very careful. Don't slam the brakes.
Oh, you're fine, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Full gear.
Yeah.
Full gear. Very good. Smart rider.
There we go.
Smart rider.
Ah, I love my boots. Thank you.
You okay, guy?
Yes, Bob on base, we do. We do have what's in every rescue packet. It's on, and how to use it, and it's on Motorcycle Training Concepts YouTube channel. Oh, what the? What are you doing? Good job on the progressive brake pressure. What the? Richard Pafond. Okay, we're riding side of the vehicle. Watch out, gotta swerve out of that way. You gotta swerve out of his way too. If you just witnessed it, either do progressive brake pressure to maintain your space cushion or swerve away too. The other driver had a nice little pucker factor going on. Let's not be a part of that situation either. So Ryan Sigurdsson. All right, side of the vehicle, side of the Jeep. Okay, Jeep's headlights are in the front, kind of hard to see. Went from the side. I get it. Harley just headlights are terrible on Harleys. Brakes are terrible. Honestly, I'm not a Harley fanboy anymore. Harleys are actually not the greatest bikes.
I was like, wow.
They're not. STP subscribed as a tier 1 on Twitch. Woo!
Nope.
Yeah.
You're okay. Okay. All right.
Moving on. So
We have
Papa.
specific item.
Oh, okay. We're doing some illegal stuff. So that's whatever. You do you. You do you. Okay, you do whatever you need to do, but if you fall off the bike because you're not paying attention, you're... Oh, yep. Didn't do it right. Just pay the fee. How about 3 of you line up, 1 pays, you all 3 go. Right? Not a big deal. But, that's, you should, karma, right?